So it's a fact that Facebook ads can be very profitable for your business, but it's also a way to lose a lot of money if you don't do it right. And what I mean is that there are a lot of courses out there on Facebook ads, but they assume that you know how to target the right person. They simply go over the technical aspects, which anyone can learn. The reality is that if you don't know everything about your target audience, then you're going to lose money. Think about it for just a second. Waving a sign that says, "Hey, you want to lose weight?" to a male who wants to gain body mass doesn't really make a lot of sense. Maybe they want to lose the fat to gain the muscle, but maybe they're in the mindset of trying to gain weight so that they can bulk up. So think about that for just a second. Does that make sense? Of course not. And the truth is that most people do this. So how do you find the data that says this is what your audience wants and how you should approach them? Another question is, how do you make sure that your ads appeal to the right person? How do you use the right text, the right image, the right everything? And then how do you use that data to set up Facebook ads correctly? So I want to introduce you to a 10-part step-by-step video course that shows you how to set up Facebook ads that get results. Now, in this specific video training course, you're going to get a step-by-step, click-by-click, over my shoulder on how to set up your Facebook ads properly. So here's a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video 1 is the introduction. We'll talk about what you need to get started. Video number 2, we'll talk about the right mindset, because believe it or not, a lot of people go into Facebook ads with the wrong mindset, which a lot of times will prevent you from succeeding. And of course, video number 3, we'll talk about who are you targeting. And of course, video number 4, we'll talk about Facebook Audience Insights, which is a free tool that Facebook gives you and how you can use that to gather the right data. Video number 5, we'll talk about creating an avatar profile. Video number 6, we'll talk about important ad rules that you need to know. Video number 7, we'll talk about the Facebook tracking pixel. Video number 8, we'll talk about how to set up ad campaigns. And then, of course, ad sets in video number 9 and ads in video number 10. So with that said, go ahead and grab this video course today and begin setting up your Facebook ads the right way.